close to someone, but there is an invisible wall. Like you care, but you just can't open up to them. So the reason behind this could be your emotional unavailability. In this video, we will talk about what this emotional unavailability means, where does it comes from, and how we can break through it. So let's start the video. So the first question here is the what is emotional unavailability? Now this emotional unavailability doesn't mean that you lack the emotions, but it means that you are disconnected from them, maybe to protect yourself or to survive. The reason could be anything. But if you want to experience the real love, the real joy of your life, the real peace, then you have to show up emotionally. Emotional unavailability means that apparently you are present in a relationship, but you are emotionally distant. Like you are there, but your heart is locked up. You lack the vulnerability. You don't want to expose your feelings. Every time you just try to hide your emotions. You avoid deep talks. You struggle for trusting and intimacy. You just run away from people when they just try to get closer. And most of the time, you don't understand what are your feelings. Now let's have a pause and be honest that do you relate to any of these? Number one, to get uncomfortable during emotional conversations. But you overthink and avoid commitments. Now, you try to stay busy in order to avoid your feelings. Before, you are scared to trust people deep. So, if any of these three sounds like you, this might be your first step towards healing. And now the question is, why do we become emotionally unavailable? No one in this world wake up and just choose to block their heart. Emotional unavailability usually comes from the pain. It might be your childhood trauma. It might be your heartbreak. It might be something. It might be something that has affected you so deeply. You think that you have overcome that incident, but deep inside you have scars of it that is not letting you to heal. Could be possible that you have tried to express your feelings in the past, but someone has misunderstood you or not really cared of, or you are being made fun of your feelings. So to avoid all this, you have built a wall between you and your emotions. Just never want to show your emotions. But let me tell you one. But your emotions is no weakness, but it's a courage. So now we have known that. What does this emotional unavailability means? Where does it come from? And now the question is how we can break through it. So how do we become emotionally available? How can we open up if we have been closed for so long? Same things can work for different kinds of people, and it depends on how deep your scars are. Number one, you can go to a therapist and try to tell him whatever you feel. But not everyone would like this idea. Something which I personally recommend is journaling. Now, journaling is something during which you are talking to the most trusted person in this world, and that is you. While journaling, you can be completely open up and you can write whatever you feel, in whatever words you want to say. You can write everything, you can write in whatever words you want to say, and no one there will judge you. It's something like you don't need any kind of filters while writing the journal. And another thing could be you can talk to the most honest and the most safe person whom you feel to. You can read or listen to something which is healing, like any movie, or it can be the music, whatever you like, which make you something which can make you feel alive. You have to stop avoiding your emotional discomfort. You have to sit and do not run away from your feelings. Try to see whatever you feel. It's about being perfect. It's about showing up and being messy and real. It's about becoming emotionally available is not a switch, it's a journey. Once you stop running from your feelings and start embarrassing them, you don't have to be tough all the time. You just need to be true, because when you connect with yourself, you can truly connect with others. Tell me in the comment sections if you are ready to heal. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.